Alright, so today I'm going to talk to you about how to get the best print quality out of the M3D. I know this printer is not maybe the greatest on the market, but with these settings it tends to work pretty well. So I'm going to show you how to print TPU, PLA, and we'll try ABS and see how that goes. So the first thing you want to do is recalibrate the bed location. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and you can hear my printer moving in the background, and I'll come to you after it stops. Alright, now that it's gone ahead and done its bed level calibration, we're going to go ahead and print a test border. I just want to make sure it's something I do, you don't have to. I just want to make sure that the filament that goes down is actually going to stick at all points on the bed. So I'm going to go ahead and click print a test border. Alright, now we've gone ahead and printed a test border along the print bed, and what you want to look for in this border is that the filament is down but is not completely stuck to it. So you don't want it to be warped, but you want it to be able to pull up. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off right here so I can pull it off with ease so it's not going to get stuck to the bed. Also, something you may notice that I've done with my printer, I covered it in actually 2 layers of blue painter's tape. So I find 2 layers works better. So this first filament I used is a black PLA filament. It's just a standard PLA, not M3D branded. So the 3D ink settings I put in here are PLA, black PLA 3D ink, and it's printed at 225 degrees. This is hotter than 10 degrees Celsius hotter than the M3D PLA, but I find this works great for this filament. The settings I use for TPU. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. It's for TPU, you're going to put in FLX. Select my color. In this case, it's going to be, I'll pick a random color. I'll pick red because I actually have that. And that's external, and I want it set to 220 degrees. That's what I find works the best with TPU. If you look at my TPU video on my YouTube channel, you'll see how those print. Works very well. For ABS, I'm going to put in, not there, click here if not correct, yes, ABS, and you want this to cool down. So you want ABS, I'm just going to pick a random color, it's filament external, so I want it to print at 280 degrees. This I find is the best because you don't want the ABS to cool down too fast. What's even better is if you put a box over the whole printer, it seems to let it cool down at a slower rate, so it will not warp as much. That being said, it's ABS on a non-heated bed printer, so it's a 50-50 chance of failure. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some other parts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, I have this baby Groot that I 3D printed, and I want to know what should I do with it. So comment below, what should I do with baby Groot. So